Well, just made it down most of the way down that road. I've been driving down that road, goddamn, about an hour now. Yep. I just come out to a little trailhead down here. You can see right over here. So I'm gonna go check that out. It's a nice little spot here. And as I say, they just opened up that road. As far as I can see, I'm the only one down here. All the campsites are empty. All the trails are empty. You got a couple campsites right up here, right up by the trailhead. So that's where I'm going to stop and do up my breakfast. And those frogs going in the background. It is nice out here. This is just one of many campsites kind of scattered along the road. Give you a picnic table and a fire pit. And I'm out here. I got my stuff set up. Getting ready to make some muesli right up in there. That's the plan for today. It's going to be a pretty busy day here. We got a couple more trailheads down the way. Might check out. But yeah, time for breakfast here. Over and out.